Did you know thyroid issues affect over 200 million people worldwide? Natural remedies are now taking the spotlight, and coriander water might just be the game changer you're looking for. Welcome to Health and Wealth. Today, we'll explore thyroid problems and an easy, natural remedy to help manage them: coriander water. Stick around to see how this simple kitchen ingredient can boost your thyroid health. Thyroid disorders are becoming increasingly common, with symptoms like fatigue, weight changes, hair loss, and even depression. Managing thyroid health can feel overwhelming with so many treatments available. However, finding a natural and effective remedy is essential for long-term well-being. That's why we're diving into the benefits of coriander water today. Coriander is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health. It's particularly rich in vitamin C, potassium, and folate, which can help regulate hormone production and support the thyroid gland. Recent studies even suggest its anti-inflammatory properties may reduce thyroid-related symptoms. Ayurvedic experts also praise coriander for its detoxifying effects, making it a go-to for natural healing. Here's the moment you've been waiting for: the simple coriander water recipe. Take 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Boil 2 cups of water. Add the seeds to the water and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain and drink this on an empty stomach in the morning. It's that easy. Regular use can help improve your thyroid function and overall health. To recap, thyroid issues can be challenging, but natural remedies like coriander water offer a simple and effective solution. Packed with nutrients, this drink supports your thyroid and promotes overall health. Try this recipe and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health and Wealth for more natural health tips. See you in the next video.